In front of me is REALME GT 5G, and let me show you how to change screen color mode. So first of all, you need to reach settings, then find and select display and brightness, and here just go a bit lower. You will notice screen color mode right here, open, and now you can pick vivid as it is currently set up. Then you can choose gentle, and here you can see the difference, or brilliant. So as you can see, the color is a bit more intense right here. So just pick the one that you like the most, and I will stay with vivid. So this is it. So you can adjust screen color to your own preferences. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.